Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Fill in the blanks with connectors. Oh, but or and. I like coffee, but my friend likes tea. Would you prefer coffee or tea? I take milk and sugar in my tea. The bus stopped and the man got off. I wanted to buy a newspaper, but I didn't have enough money. Is it a new house or an old house? The hunter caught a deer and a rabbit. Thomas was really hungry this morning, but he didn't eat breakfast. Do you want to eat a sandwich or a burger? I need milk, butter, and bread. I hope you like this video about connectors. And connectors are or, but, and. Thank you so much for watching.